Hello everyone, in this video we will see what is format function. Format function is used to merge two or more strings, and we can do some manipulations in the string also, and we will see it one by one now. So first assume that I am going to concatenate this A and B. Okay, so we know how to concatenate. We have to use A plus B, and if you execute this line you will get an error. Okay, so why? Because this A is a type of string. Okay, A is a string but B is a number. So whenever you are concatenating two things, you have to make sure that the two operands are of same data type. So either A and B should be of strings or A and B should be of integer. So when you execute this code, you are getting an error. Okay, so the solution is you have to convert this B to string using str method. Okay, so now this B will be converted to a string. Now this code works fine, there is no error. Okay, so we can see A and B is being concatenated into a single string. Now let us see how this format function works. So let us create a new string called as D, which is equal to. So now I am going to merge A and B. So for that I have to use a placeholder. Okay, so I will create a string. So either you can use double quotes or single quotes, it is up to you. So dot format. Here you have to give a placeholder 0, placeholder 1. So this placeholder also starts with 0. So 0 means first placeholder, 1 means second placeholder. So in this case I can give A comma B. So this is one way of merging. So now D is a string where this 0 represents A and 1 represents B. So these two values are being concatenated into a single string. And why this format function is widely used? Because you no need to convert this B to string. So here we have converted this B to string, and if you use format method, this conversion will be taken care of this format function itself. You no need to manually convert this B to string or any data type to string. Okay, so it will convert automatically. So now let's print the value of D and let us see what is the output. See, we are getting the same output. This is how the format function works, and you can use any number of placeholders, so like this, and you can build a string. So see, like this. Also you can also use the placeholders any number of times, so like this. Okay, so there are 3 zeros. Okay, 3 placeholder zeros, so 1, 2, 3. So that means A will be present at 3 places, and 1 will be present at only 1 place, and 2 is present here and here also. So that means what is 2? This C is 2. Okay, so the C will be placed here and here. So let's see the output so that you can understand it better. And similarly you can change this order also. So here C comma B, you get a different string. So this is how you use placeholder in format function. So we will take a simple example. Okay, so let's create string 1 is equal to apple, and string 2 is some number 50. So string 3 is nothing but so I have number of 0. So this is a string. So inside this string I have 2 placeholders. So one and 0. So this 1 represent string 2 and 0 represents string 1. So the output should be I have 50 number of apple. So here I have to print the string tree. Okay, so when you execute this line, see you are getting I have 50 number of apple. So here you can change this to some other fruit and you can see this change is reflecting in this output. So this is how you merge 2 or more different data types using format function. And now we will see the different manipulation using this format. Okay, so I will edit and I will delete all these things. So simply I am going to print string 2. Okay, so that is 50 I am going to print. So the output should be 50. So now let us convert this particular number 50 in binary. So for that what you have to do, so after this placeholder you have to give a colon and B. So if you do like this, what happens? So this is the placeholder ID, so that is 0th ID is string 2, so it will take this number and this colon B represent binary form and this will convert this 50 into binary. So now let us print this code and you can see this is the binary code for 50. So similarly you can convert this to octal by using colon O, and when you execute, this is the octal value of this 50 and X represent hexadecimal value. So like this there are lots of ways in which you can manipulate numbers, or you can manipulate strings, and you can do alignment also. You can align left side, that is left justify, right justify, center. So all these sort of things you can use format function. So I have included the cheat sheet for this format function in the description, and you can use that sheet to find out the different manipulations that is possible in this format function.